Hello student, I Dr. R.D. Patil, Department of Zoology, Vasantrao Naik Arts, Science and Commerce College, Shada. Dear friends, today we discuss the lecture on the Zoology paper 2nd, Zoo 302, Biochemistry. Dear friends, we already discussed about the in your 4 lectures of this course in the syllabus point of view. We today discuss about the unit number first, name is the carbohydrate metabolism. In briefly, in your before 4 lectures, we discuss about the what is mean biochemistry, introduction of the biochemistry, and later on to get by the unit number 1, carbohydrate metabolism. In carbohydrate metabolism, we discuss about the brief history of the what is mean carbohydrates, carbohydrate classification, and later on to turn the specific topic of this in carbohydrates as a briefly is the glycolysis. In 4th lectures, we have schematic representation as well as the glycolysis process graph will be discussed in briefly. Today, further to discuss this point, we have the imagine or also briefly description of the student to consult for the what is mean glycolysis. First, we turn about this topic as particularly as a glycolysis. We know about this process is takes place in the living organism as well as human beings. To as a first is cellular respiration. In a cellular respiration is nothing but the first most important process is carried on in the living organism is what is respiration. Respiration is the process that the body uses to release energy from digested food. Digested food is nothing but in the form of the glucose, and glucose is the most important product of the process of the glycolysis. This process is specifically creating in your cellular or respiration process glucose from the digestive system, means the living organism are engulfing the food. This food are convert or in the form of the glucose plus oxygen from the breathing system, that is a respiratory system, to at the time of the respiration, at the time of the breathing, O2 is get or glucose plus oxygen to form as a specific reaction is a in the byproducts to carbon dioxides plus water and get the energy. Carbon dioxide in the form of the waste products as exhaled, that is a respiration process is creating the inhalation and exhalation. Exhalation process is wastage products are released, it is called as CO2 plus water waste product exhaled means release the outside of the body. And important things is the energy. These energy are utilized by the living organism in the form of the to do works. So this process also has a respiration. The release of energy during cellular respiration, glucose plus oxygen, energy released, carbon dioxide and water. It is chemical processes C6H12O6 plus 6O2 to form 6CO2 plus 6H2O. It is specific process, chemical reactions or metabolic process that takes place in the cellular respiration. So every student we know about what is mean glycolysis. Glycolysis is a word is formed by the two words, that is glyco plus lysis. Glyco is the glucose, lysis means breakdown. It is a simple process or definition. Glycolysis is the glucose breakdown. Glycolysis from glycose, an older term for glucose. It is also lysis, degradation, is the metabolic pathway that converts glucose C6H12O6 into pyruvate CS3CO C double bond C double O plus C double bond OH plus we form by the free energy released in this process is used to form the high energy molecules. It is called the ATP. is a long form of the ATP is a adenosine triphosphate, and NADH reduced nicotinamide adenine dinucleotides is a NADH. So in simple definition of the glycolysis is the processes in which one glucose molecule is broken down to form two molecules of pyruvic acid, also called as a pyruvate. Thus 4 ATP molecules are synthesized and 2 ATP molecules are used during glycolysis for net gain of 2 ATP molecules. It is lastly to the end product. So in simple way, glycolysis is defined as the stepwise enzymatic breakdown of the hexose sugar. Hexose sugar is that glucose into the two molecules of pyruvate in cytoplasm. It is also known as EMP pathway. EMP pathway means this process of glycolysis is also described by the Embedon, Meyerhoff, Parnas. This is a name 3 scientists who had discovered by this process. It is a EMP pathway, and its processes was discovered by 3 German scientists, Embedon, Meyerhoff, Parnas. It is common pathway for the degradation of glucose in both aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Glycolysis literally means splitting sugars, means, and is the processes of releasing energy within sugars. In glycolysis, glucose, a 6-carbon sugar, is split into two molecules of the 3-carbon sugar pyruvate. This multi-step processes yields two molecules of ATP, free energy containing molecules, two molecules of pyruvate, and two high energy electron carrying molecules of NADH. Glycolysis can occur with or without oxygen. In the presence of oxygen, glycolysis is the first stage of cellular respiration. In the absence of oxygen, glycolysis allows cells to make small amounts of ATP through the processes of fermentation. During glycolysis, glucose converted into pyruvic acid in the cytoplasm. Means it is a above description. This process of the glycolysis is nothing but also breakdown of the glucose. In this process, the glycolysis process are also creating. This is a schematic representation of this. This is a glucose. Glucose are formed to convert into glucose 6 phosphate. We also release by the utilize the ATP to one molecule. Glucose 6 phosphates is converted into the glucose 6 phosphate. This glucose 6 phosphate also has a fructose 1,6 phosphate. So this continuously, this process also yielding into the specific 10 processes or 10 steps. So this hue of a specific form, we also utilize the steps of glycolysis reactions. Glucose are converted into the glucose 6 phosphate in this reaction. That is ATP are converted to ADP. It used as an enzyme in a catalyst, that is hexose kinase. These enzymes are used. Glucose 6 phosphates are converted into the fructose 6 phosphate. At this time, in second step, phosphoglucose isomerase. These specific catalytic reactions or enzymes are used to convert glucose 6 phosphate into the glucose 6 phosphate. Fructose 6 phosphate. Fructose 6 phosphates are converted into the fructose 1,6 bis phosphate. At this time also ATP are converted into ADP. In this process also one molecules of ATP are utilized, as is a fructose 1,6 bis phosphate. It also two byproducts as get by the glyceraldehyde 3 phosphates. Second is the dihydroxy acid trait phosphate. These are two processes are creating in the bifurcation of these specific enzymes are used as aldose. In the aldose process, that is one process, glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate is also called a gap and second is a dihydroxy acetophosphate is as a DAP. It is a GLAP or a DAP. We have the specific process takes place. Is the first process is creating also as a first phase of energy, or also called as a energy consume phase, and second process will be start from 1,3 bisphosphates. Also it converted into the 3 phosphoglycerate as a specific 2 ADP are converted into 3 ATP. In the uppermost process or step first, that is a energy are consumed, we also utilize consume, and in second the energy is prepared. It is called as a second phase is called as a energy produced. So ADP, 2 ADP are also converted into 2 ATP. These are 3 phosphate glycerates it converted into 2 phosphoglycerate. The specific catalytic enzymes are used phosphoglycerate mutase. These 2 phosphoglycerates are converted into phosphoenol pyruvate. It is a next product also at this time 2 ADP, adenine diphosphate, also has converted into the 2 ATP molecules, and last is form the end product of the glycolysis is pyruvates. It convert at this time the specific enzymes are used. Its name is the uh, uh, pyruvate. The specific pyruvate kinase enzymes are used. This process next cultivate to next steps. This is a glycolysis phase. In this glycolysis phase, glucose, this is a structure of the glucose, and these glucose are converted into glucose 6-phosphate. This is the structure of glucose 6-phosphate. At this time hexokinase is a specific isomerase enzymes are used. This ATP are converted into the ADP. This process are completely to takes place in the 2 phases, that is first phase energy consume phase, and second phase is a energy is produced phase. In this specific phase we also utilize the glycolysis process are takes place in the charts.